Okay, so chapter 2 out of the statistics book, year 1, looking at chapter 2, mixed exercise, question 7 next. Okay, so question 7, class interval and frequency. Okay, and we've got 1 to 10 up to 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and 41 to 50. And frequency is 10, 20, 30, 24, and 16. Okay, so with that done, then all done. Okay, so it's saying use interpolation to estimate the value of the 30th percentile. Okay, so 30th percentile. Right, so first things first, let's have a look at cumulative frequency of this. It's going to be 10, 30, 60, 84, 100. Okay, that makes it nice and easy. So the 30th value of this is going to be the very last value of this range here. Okay, so doesn't mean that we do anything differently. We've still got to gap it up and see how close to that 20.5 because we've got to take into the range. Okay, so with this one we have a gap of 11 to 20, and so the actual physical gap is going to be 10.5. No, it's not. It's going to be, yes, 10.5 and 20.5. Okay, and when we take those two away from each other, we get 10. Okay, and that 10 is going to be shared by the 20 of the frequency that is in that gap. So it's 0.5. Okay, ultimately we're going to want all of the values in there. Okay, so we will be doing the 0.5 times by the 20 because that's where the 30th will be. So we'll be adding all 20 into there. Okay, which of course is 10, and then 10 plus the lower bound of this one will be 10.5. Which will be 20.5 for the 30th percentile is equal to 20.5. Okay, because it lands on there. Good. Looking now for the 70th percentile. Okay, 70th percentile is going to be in here somewhere, and we'll be looking for 10 in here to bring us up to the 70. Okay, so 31 to 40 is our range here. So we are looking at 30.5, 40.5, and so we can do the 40.5, take away the 30, which of course is still 10. The 10 divided by the 24 of the 24 people in the entire class. Okay, class interval, 10 divided by 24 0.4166, 0.41666, and we will then take that, multiply it by the 10 people that we need to get to the 70th value, okay, which of course gives us 4.166, and add that to the lower bound of the class interval, so we get 30.5 plus 4.166, okay, which gives me 34.666 recurring, so my 70th percentile is 34.666 recurring. Okay, hence do an estimate for the 70 to 30 percentile range. Okay, so for part C, the quartile range, not the interquartile range, the 70 to 30 percentile range will just be the 34. Well, let's do it as 70, take away the 30. Okay, so we'll have 34.666, take away the 20.5, and so the range, take away the 20.5, is 14.1667. Okay.